Hey friends, welcome back to the channel Kitchen Craze by Sonam. I hope all of you are staying safe and healthy and staying happy. And today's recipe is gonna be this very delicious and thanda thanda cucumber boats. Let's get on with the ingredients. 1 cup of hung curd, half a cup of boiled green peas, half a cup of cubed carrots, half a cup of boiled sweet corn, half an onion and half a tomato. You can also absolutely add or subtract from these vegetables as per your liking. Also, we've taken some de-shelled roasted peanuts and some condiments like salt, sugar, red chili powder, cumin powder and also chaat masala. And now comes the star of the recipe, the star of the show, cucumbers. Cucumbers are so light and refreshing. They are so rich in water content and also very low in carbohydrates. So they are such a delight to eat in summers. Also guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like and share this video with people. So what I have done here is peeled my cucumber and I have cut the ends of the cucumber. I've also tasted the cucumbers because they tend to be bitter sometimes. And now is the time to cut them lengthwise. I am slitting them into 2 pieces lengthwise. Then I'm gonna take my melon scooper and I'm gonna scoop the flesh of the cucumber. Do not throw these away. We are gonna use these later in the video. Just be very patient and careful while scooping. We do not want the cucumbers to break. Now all of the cucumbers are scooped, so let's keep them aside and let's get on to the filling part of the recipe. Here on I have taken a bowl and then I'm gonna add my hung curd. Making hung curd is really easy. You just have to take a nut milk bag or a malmal cloth and put your normal regular curd into it and then hang it for around 4 to 5 hours. All of the water will be drained and what you are gonna be left with is this really creamy smooth curd. And I was feeling this to be a little bit lumpy, so I added 2 to 3 teaspoons of water and I am just mixing it up to make it more smooth and lump free. Now we are going to add all of the vegetables that I just showed you earlier. Also guys, at this point just taste your hung curd. If it is a little bit sour, please add a little bit of milk or fresh cream into the curd so that it can balance out the sourness. My curd was fresh and it wasn't sour, so I added water into it. And now after adding all of the vegetables, I'm gonna add all of the condiments that I showed you earlier and mix it very properly. All of the exact ingredients measurements I'll give it in the description box below. You can check it out there. You can take a screenshot of it and keep it with yourself for future reference. And now you can see I've mixed it all very nicely. The tomatoes and onions are gonna release their water and that is going to make this mixture very manageable, mixable and pliable. And now it's the time to fill all of the cucumbers with this mixture. Try to add as much of the mixture as you can over the cucumbers because it is going to derive all of its flavor from this hung curd and vegetable mixture. So I'm gonna fill all of my cucumbers with this mixture and I'm gonna keep it into the fridge for around 15 to 20 minutes before serving. So the cucumber boats are absolutely ready. Now they go into the fridge and I'll show you how to do a little bit of a garnishing trick. I have taken long thin slices of cucumber. I am putting them in a U shape on the toothpick and then I am using a triangle shaped red capsicum. You can also use a tomato and cut it into a triangle shape. These would look like the boats are having flags, you know. So here is what I am doing to decorate these cucumber boats. And now in the last cucumber. You can see how I'm struggling with putting the flags. So guys, I am also a learner, so I also make mistakes. I am not perfect at all, but I do like to learn from my mistakes. This is the second mistake in the same video. I absolutely forgot to add roasted peanuts. You have to add it before adding the flags, but nevertheless I'm going to just add some of the roasted peanuts in the ends where I can find space. But don't make the same mistake. Do add the peanuts before you add the garnishing part. And now I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna show you how to do the presentation for these cucumber boats. I've taken a black platter for color contrast, and then you remember those cucumber scoops that we took out. I just laid them over. Then I'm gonna place my cucumber boats. And for a little bit more color and texture contrast, I'm gonna add roasted peanuts here and there, and I'm going to add fresh green coriander here and there. You can also use fresh green mint to decorate this, to garnish this. And this is the complete platter, guys. In my opinion, this looks so appetizing, so inviting, and so delicious. I hope you guys also like this recipe. Do make it at home. Tag me on any of the social media platforms and let me know how you liked it. Stay safe, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you next time. Bye.